Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and today I'm doing a review on the Farberware 4-liter deep fryer. And as you see in my previous videos, man, I use this fryer a lot, and what I really like about this fryer, man, let's go ahead and get into it, is the option. So if you wanted to go large, you can use a large basket. If you want to do multiple things, you can use two smaller baskets. And that's what I really like about this fryer. It's just the options, man, cooking options. It makes it for an easy experience when you're cooking and deep frying. The next thing is easy setup. So if you watch my unboxing video, the setup is pretty much easy. I mean, it's not really much you have to do to get this thing operational outside the box. It's a couple different, pieces that you got to put together, but nothing major that you got to worry about coming outside the box. So easy setup. Next thing is convenience. So I really like the convenience factor of it. So if you've been cooking with a pan and oil, you got to think about heating up your temperature, or heating up your oil at the right temperature, getting a thermometer, making sure that it's right. This fryer here has your ready dial. You just set your dial to the temperature that you want it to, and then once it's done, it's ready. And now let's get on the temperature. So the oil temperature is pretty much consistent when you're cooking. I mean, you might have points where it may go down just a little bit based on, the coldness of your food, but for me, I mean, the oil temperature has been consistent cooking with it. Easy cleanup, not much with the cleanup. Like I said, with the setup, it's easy, and you're just taking that thing back apart and just cleaning that thing. So easy cleanup. You really don't have to, take too much to clean this thing. So what I would say is just make sure that you're maintaining your oil. Good oil, it makes for good frying. So let's get into some of the cons. So it's going to be a longer setup time than your air fryer. So your air fryer is more like, a microwave. It's going to be more instant heat. But with your deep fryers, you got to wait for that oil to heat up. Your viewing window. So your viewing window, I mean, it's pretty much non-existent once you start using this fryer, and that's probably the only drawbacks, what I'll say, with this fryer. So let's get into some of the delicious recipes I've been able to create with this fryer, man. Chicken and waffles, I mean, some nice flavorful wings, man, pork chops. I mean, what you name it, or anything that you name it, you can pretty much do with this fryer, man. Just got to be patient with it.